Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. Today's thought is never give up. Great things take time. Okay, never give up because great things happens to take time. Okay, in previously video, students, we completed our second lesson. It is a long and short. In that lesson, we learn that is the conversion of units and uh, other concept, and today we are going to start our new lesson. It's a building with bricks, and in this lesson we learn different patterns as well as different shapes in the mathematics. Okay, and in that lesson they are giving the some example for explaining that patterns. Okay, now we will start that lesson. Lesson number 1, building with bricks. Okay, look at the textbook, students. Brick patterns for Jagriti school. Here they are giving the brick pattern of the Jagriti school. This is a true story of the Jagriti school in Murshidabad. It's a West Bengal. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns on the floor and wall. Whenever they are constructing that building, they decided they make a plan to making the brick patterns on their floor as well as wall. Jamal, Kalu and PR were the mason for the brick work. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building. Okay, Jamal, Kalu and PR, that three masons, they construct that building and they wanted to get new ideas for the buildings brick patterns. Okay, so they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Kuli Khan. Understood, student? Because they want to be new ideas of brick pattern, so they went to the old tomb, that is a Murshid Kuli Khan, for seeing that brick patterns. Okay, this building has big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. और जो बिल्डिंग थी, जो tomb था मुर्शिद कुली खान का, उसमें डिफरेंट या 1000 ब्यूटीफुल ब्रिक पैटर्न्स थे. These were made by mason long back above. ओके, अबाउट 300 years ago. जो तोम था मुर्शिद कुली खान का, वो जो बिल्डिंग बनाई थी, उसके जो ब्रिक पैटर्न्स थे वो 2000 डिफरेंट ब्रिक पैटर्न्स उन्होंने यूज़ किए थे. एंड दैट टॉम मेड बाय अबाउट 300 years ago. Okay, they are giving the picture of that brick patterns. Okay, first one, whole building they are showing. In second, brick patterns like small scale like structure, and in second picture they are giving the floor pattern also. Okay, these are the floor patterns of that tomb, and in first picture they show the whole picture of the old tomb. Okay, in third picture also they are showing that is a floor pattern or wall pattern, third, fourth and fifth, and they are asking some question. Which floor pattern do you like the most? From this 5 picture, which pattern do you like most? You have to write here only. I to like that is the fifth one pattern, so I written here it's a fifth. Okay, have you seen such pattern anywhere? Okay, आपने ऐसे पैटर्न कभी देखे हैं क्या? If you visited any fort, any tomb, any masjid, though that like pattern you are seen, as well as in mandirs also many patterns are like. अगर आपने कहीं देखा है तो you have to write their name of that place. Okay, the mason came back excited whenever they saw that tomb picture या tomb building. They are very excited. Okay, and they came back and Jamal said, oh, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns. We had forgotten this. Jamal said that long before I go they are making that interesting brick pattern, and today that we are forgetting that. Okay, let's make some nice design on the floor of this school. So they also decided beautiful pattern they have made in a floor of that school. Okay, each mason made a different brick pattern. The school is proud to have such beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make a new pattern themselves. And that all three masons decided to make the different brick pattern on the floor of that school, and the school management or students, they have to proud to be that mason because of that brick patterns, and they okay, because of that सच ब्यूटीफुल पैटर्न्स. ओके, उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि उस स्कूल में भी एक ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग पैटर्न बनाएंगे जिससे चिल्ड्रंस बैठ के गाना गा सके और खेल सके. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? हियर they are making some pattern and pictures are given. That pattern, 9 patterns are there making. Pattern A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, they are making 11 patterns. Okay, in first pattern they are making only cross like structure and arrange the bricks in a different pattern. Okay, and about that pattern they are asking some questions. Which pattern is made in a circle? Okay, look at the pattern students, and they are asking to us which pattern is made in a circle. What do you think about that? कौन सा पैटर्न उन्हें सर्कल शेप में बनाया है? So which pattern? It's like a circle. It's a pattern J. Okay, in J pattern they made a circle. Okay, as well as in pattern E also they are making a structure like a circle in a middle one. Okay, understood students? So G and E you have to write. Okay, then second question they are asking, in which pattern can you show mirror halls and draw a line? Okay, they are asking कौन से पैटर्न में उन्होंने मिरर हॉल्स बनाए हैं और लाइन्स ड्रॉ करिए. ओके, दे आर मेकिंग अ लाइन्स एंड दे आर शोइंग द मिरर हॉल्स. ओके, मिरर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दे आर मेकिंग, स्मॉल साउंड मिरर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, तो विच पैटर्न शोइंग मिरर हॉल्स एंड मेकिंग दे आर मेकिंग लाइन्स? सो इट्स अ पैटर्न एच. ओके, पैटर्न एच में उन्होंने क्या किया है, लाइक lines, they are making a lines and they are making mirror halls. Okay, halls and 1/4 part of that mirror, like that only. Third question, now you draw some new floor patterns. You have to make, you have to draw the new floor pattern for your thinking. आपके thinking से आप क्या करो, different patterns brick के minimum 4 patterns आप क्या करो, आपके notebook में draw करो. Understood students? Okay, here the up to here we learn that three masons, Jamal, Kalu and Pia, they want to make a structure building of school. So they want a different bricks area, so they went to for seeing that like brick structure, and they went to the tomb Murshid Quli Khan, and that building they saw that different and beautiful brick patterns. So they also decided कि उस स्कूल की बिल्डिंग के पैटर्न या फ्लोर में भी डिफरेंट ब्यूटीफुल पैटर्न्स बनाएंगे. सो दे डिसाइडेड एंड दे मेड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रिक पैटर्न्स ऑन द फ्लोर एंड ऑन द wall of that building structure. Understood students? And next video we started new topic of that lesson and different phases of that. Okay, thank you.